Welcome to the show.
I like to go to the shop to buy bread. When you buy bread, you need to buy butter, eggs, jam.
I didn't see, but I feel like information you can more Mafarata things on all of the
Exactly, Maria. When can I get share? No, but
Maragaret is strictly business. The sort of phone lesson about to lean a man.
business is fair.
Yeah, I want to go well.
Mzomnyama ahlanganele. In 3 years to come, 4 years to come, Mtori Range, it will be big.
Dumela hape motho wetho gongwe le gongwe ka tswang o lebile yona khatiso ya gompieno re re dumela ke msimanelo wa ntlha wa motswanga wa khata go sela ba khata is it dog EZIDAWG jaaka gale ke na le baeng man ke na le baeti man dumelang bonkhonne
Hola.
lo dintsha eng man
Hi, shop.
re ke koporo ka re tlhalosetsa babogedi gore wena kwa mang jalo le jalo le re o latelang o tla tlhalosetsa babogedi gore re ke nang
SD MUSIQ.
SD MUSIQ
All in Mogi
TWINNY
Yeah.
la mohetse bonkhonne
Thank you.
ka ha setse le tsore ke charity podcast tlo ka nna ntse re buisana ka tsamaiso ya lona kgotsa ka se le mo tla le se dira e le gore sentle le dira eng le baopedi le di DJs kgotsa le eng
Not the DJ.
le di DJs
Yeah, we are DJ duo from Mama's Girl in US Terrace. We call ourselves Aesthetic Deepers.
static deepers
Yeah.
Okay le tsamka bino o ntsenya
Not about deep also.
o le ba deep house
Yeah.
okay old school kgotsa la tswa ka ntsha fela le tsamka fela le a se le ba tsena ba le ba gore we don't compromise mo ileng gore
Sometimes there are compromise.
La compromise,
Yeah,
ane?
sometimes. Yeah, ho tla ka re mo gae.
Eh.
Like Mabani, we were at our mix was playing go Radio 2000, so dane na batla di old school fela, so we had to compromise re bolle mara normally re ba new school.
okay le fitlile yang go Radio 2000 because of yona nkare ke phitlhelelo e leng gore ke tonna man ho
Yeah.
ke english mixtape kgotsa okay share
Okay.
that journey with us
Gore re fitlhe go Radio 2000 go leka ra zamazama there, we sending emails, we selling ourselves, then luckily we get batho ba da, they respond to us, then ba re tlhalosetsa gore okay sharp, that's how we deal more Radio 2000. Kopela o send there 30 minutes mix, old school track list and all that. Sharp, we did that, and then Maloba, that's when they sent the cover, then Dinako and everything.
Okay ine le slot sa nako mang le slot sa busi kgotsa ine le sa go motho
Ne le sa Safru, it was half past 11.
half 11 meaning ne le midday show
Sure.
all right ine le mang host ya to
It was Ausi Ntombi Miso from
don't
Radio
be me
2000.
so about 2000 all right then ntse ke botse potso ke go reng ha re ha dilo tse dintsintsi tse le mo di a diragala mo lefatsheng kgotsa ditiro tse le mo di a farologana le tlhophile go nna di DJs or le foster na music
Too much.
okay
I think it's a le passion, like we connect with your soul, le mobile, the feelings. So I guess can to very really more more really more thing. We will choose what we do it now.
okay
Yeah.
okay and then are you siblings kgotsa le ditsana
What a question is so difficult because ya re tlhaga ntsha le rena self. Ke na no mo tsa ra bra ga re nna le batswadi pila yeah, because like everywhere we go come gore phelang bo botle ka teng if itlile mo painting le gore jo lena la tshwana na le di siblings and here ba botso ra go na le di brafan me re kopantshitse ke music one swara then became brothers from friendship one swara so yeah we just friends.
Oh, just
Yeah,
friends.
brothers.
Oh,
Sure.
brothers, friends.
Yeah.
Kore, wa
Sure.
bona ke
Yeah.
triangle moves,
Yeah.
okay? So le kopane jang kgotsa no kopana along the way kgotsa le ditsala tsela tsa ho simolla le santse ba le ba bang kgotsa le no kopana jana setse le hodile
Ra re no kopana no setse re hodile.
Setse le hodile,
Na re le ko Umlo.
ko umlo
Umlo cafe ya.
ah
Ba no na ke dlala nako ile le na dlala.
yeah
Ntlhalwa. Ba na re ntse re dlala ke tsela tsa gore wa nkutlwa.
ya go tshamka taste efeng ya
sure.
music
Ke a mo utlwa le.
Yeah.
Ke a utlwa ra mara ne. Re mo tseleng e wa.
yeah
Yeah, ntlhalwa.
From Daso Mara.
I get
Yeah, Rapusha.
ne
Yeah.
all right then mo le ngore le khona push ame ka he setse ke itse gore it's nature
Yeah.
di khogano tse leng gore di ka tswa di ka runya mahareng ha lona le di solve jang di khogano those conflicts
Yeah, yeah, it's a conflict. It's a
Santse di bete.
it's a pie.
Yeah.
It's a pie. Yeah, it's already got feeling though. Flopo na impetang kore. I'm more focused on professionalism.
yes
On sar and
Yeah.
knowing why we're doing what we're doing now. Like rinya buisa kai brand are.
Yeah.
On sar. So if you come more pointing a little bra o kra maybe na a tsa dilo ka nako high,
Yeah.
then I end up ke motor jo let's push
Let's
and
push,
do
yeah.
this and that. So eba mo lo re na ba no re ngalana for that
Yeah.
moment,
Yeah.
then ena ke motho lo khono ra umfunela rajo a we iri dai there
Yeah.
one sara
Yeah.
let's do this and that le na khono na no gre yane mola active the weekend killing ka teng mara it's fine, let me keep on communicating with him. Mara one thing I can tell you in a show like our fans and followers le batho ba ba frustana vele
Yeah.
will never break up.
I get
Once this group it lo ya pele. We got plans, a lot of them maybe. Yeah.
so he lebeletse ne ka gore le group le duo so to
yeah,
speak, ne?
yeah.
o tshwanetse be le ntho ke beng ka bitsang passion ka mokgwa o setse kgotsa o tlhalosa
Sure,
gore,
yeah, yeah.
le focus tse bo music and then le tena le ponelo pele
Sure.
Mo leng gore, okay are 10 years from now le bona le go kae 10 years from now a re setse le simolotse
Yeah,
re setse le
yeah.
simolotse le thako radio 2000
Sure.
a se mang le mang ba leng gore ba tlhaga koo okay
Yeah.
so 10 years from now le tepana le go kae le tepana le owner recording label le tepana le na le clothing label blah blah blah
Yeah,
so forth
yeah.
and so on
Well, in 10 years to come, as we always talk about it,
Yeah.
Ripona, to start with, first of all, Ripona Rituilega Kakasi,
Yeah.
and venturing to Arakasis. The plan to grow this aesthetic
Right,
deep
yeah.
group, yeah, whereby we make it as a record label, then Rizama Chita, we do what we got to do.
okay
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do what's best for us, push it, and obviously have money.
okay
Yeah,
this listens for like
Yeah,
money
yeah,
money
money,
Benjamin
yeah,
Sanga.
sure.
All right so ka he setse beno le kaile hore le tsamka deep house
Yeah.
okay le dira bjang ka this scenarios mo leng gore motho a tlhagelela o tlhopela pina mo leng gore o rata pina e leng gore e kgaofile pila ya na kopela gore
Oh, yeah.
that request request pina na kopela gore tshamekile pina so wena on that spot o tshameka kgotsa o motsa gore okay ne ntse le mo le bitsang playlisting ke ta tshameka or o ba hash for it
Ah, e tla ba ka re mo kae ntlhalwa.
ne
and like mostly okay, check, mostly we don't. As a hanchi, feel like batho ba lo reng jo le tlhala music o bora eng because like re ka tsaya mo ma 2 days
Yeah.
or a few hours before ra gig
Yeah.
ra plan so
rehearse
when o re
and
tsa music o lo re go be tharena first
Yeah.
once so be tharena first re nanela le batho ba ka ba le taura obvious e be tharena koro meta dama so her fitla kwa a se hanchi vele re kra batho ba kra ba re le tlhala music o boring they all o kra ba no bina then they come and salute us or a joke
Having fun,
yeah
and then like alright mo leng gore le fana time frame le leng o namela o mong after that la refosana just like that and or le tsama le to he o ka khona hala gore go be le gig ya gore go be motho mwana gore a nna ba le batile le two
Yeah.
and then o mong a tle morao ka mabaka a rileng kgotsa se ka ba nna teng that feeling, you feel like because of the weight of Nassau. You feel like
yona nka e tshwara bro madam tshwara.
yeah, okay, push one man.
Yeah, but it don't give me a
Okay.
yeah. But yona ke tse e tshwara.
But it's one now, or represent the Limang Lintang because of our thing. All right, then because of I thought that if maybe because of Balbatali to an offender, sorry, offender or a brewer thing, that's corner home. So, why and then push whatever. All right. So, then again, so Senka Sitang Mafarata, Mudo, I don't give you WhatsApp. Facebook, we follow us alone. Qualified motor, so forth and so on. And then profile alone, I suppose, end. I get
Too much.
I guess.
Too much.
Listen, you know.
Playing deep house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mara, like for us, like being as a duo. So we started. I remember it was 2023 around November. Yeah, that's when we started to come with the name Aesthetic.
Yeah.
It like Pila didn't inherit Toma. It was Aesthetic Deep Session as an event.
Yeah.
Then Mara Raibono Roke Shapo, Deep House more high. Abeti that much once and then Honani Mapara Aka Siatala Deep House. How about repeats aesthetic deep house and aesthetic deep session? So Hunan aesthetic deep house, Aravita Machita, Mola Rakopana, we all play deep house there, then we host events. So unfortunately, our goals are not the same.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Meaning, apart from being duo, crew.
Exactly. Yeah. So Renard a name. And that name, aesthetic deep session, then we add the deep house. Yeah, it started in around November 2023, so till date, still keeping it.
Okay, all right, okay. Majita au alongore ke crew alena bala supporter, and then other like feminist and so forth and so on. Bala supporter ka so silong lasir.
Bona ba support mola le mood.
Mola le mood ane.
Ka se ntse every day.
I get
ba focus ke mo.
Supportive in a way, Mulungur agree, I can't know what Banna Bantabata. Like, really, whatever Seba Butang saw, keep pushing. That's the most important.
We're gonna move our support a lot.
Yeah.
I wanna jealous I think, man. We always talk about this search where Laura Sansor Frostan. I mean, like, that's the reason to Tomile aesthetic deep, Esmajita. So there's a lot of love, man. Yeah, Rasapotana, Lebo never any geeky, around more high thing, we go and support it. Lebo never free, but we just cool. Yeah, flop or vele, flop and carrying Naniona.
Yeah,
core like Lily goals. So our Hispanic am Corinia con Spanagating, Mobile, so Omo Zatola Villa Parangani, then Omoniana, yeah, Mara. Nonetheless,
so apart from the time Kiloko Umlo, like things or maybe Dita, Kaveta Mo, Talon, that nostalgic moment.
Yeah.
Quite okay.
Visas lifestyle.
Wow.
What else, Joe? PBS, Papiano, then other places around. Mara ngaring in nostalgia for us, kiri radio stations. Azangara Dala Felamu, more Radio 2000. We did also Motoring FM, it's Radio 2000, and we're looking forward for Lisiri FM. It's coming either next week, next weekend. Gonna play that. So it's on a moment that's a fele Lura push.
Right then. So more na let's say he level slot like I little time go slot and says things so that but ba connect to tune in Kemajita Akasia. He level maybe morning drive, afternoon drive, or maybe if ever get a weekend. A good weekend, another weekend breakfast. And so forth.
Mostly for DJs, it's midnight.
It's midnight.
It's midnight. Around 12, 1. So hey, it's over difficult to foreign because of double Saturday. Everyone is out there groove. So Mara.
but all old.
Yeah.
Okay, ba leng hore ba tla ba na le nako ya hore ba ka le reetsa ke
Tune in, yeah.
ante mo retela la zang la zama go ya le tshameka go teng because ba ka re ke commission not as commission ke
Community radio station. Moretele Salekaya. Before we came a duo, so like I played yeah.
Oh, right. Then unfortunately, this frequency the CD FM because of I actually that much
Oh,
more
yeah, sure.
So na go be ya molong gore whoever lo motla ba ketse tšhono.
Oh, yeah.
So that I got read and get
No, Marana, I na flop because of I get information or
spread out.
Yeah. And the good part about it, Corey, if then you missed that show you there.
And then we try to
Mixtape, yeah, we're gonna upload the mixtape, yeah.
Okay. So health some mixtape dirang le tshwara di turntables le litho or le fana chance o mong antsana meta o anametse one and then ya mixtape ka sire ke motho one or le le tuna ba to tlhaloganya kgang ya mixtape le ba
e ka ba lori ra ka wa thoma
yeah
a ka nokela 2 tracks or 3 tracks
yes
after wa follow go tsena
o tsena wena o bia ya ka tlhaloganya go nna ke ba to tlhaloganya na mo mo I still remember vividly there was this twins ke Joseph Lemar e ba tlileng bantsha album ya Zim Connection Revolution yes. Where are those guys? If ever maybe was it tomorrow?
When I
Yeah, because of I still remember that duo like Liva Calabiana the Godfathers.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah,
sure. So far, but I'm
Yeah.
So guys, until run where I got transit they pushing like Lena le push and obviously it's a good thing.
Sure.
Pleke ya rona e a re tikulo ya rona e be le so se le gore re pela ka sona le so se nkareng your dreams gore le batla tswa mo ka se le ona go and you must flow back to the community. It's a fit go santen tseo le le sa le ba so like this vision how to kill batawira this vision how to batawira that's the community and support and so on.
Yeah.
O tla bo bereka obviously ka batho ba le gore wa bona bana le that passion and ba bang tsena ba tswa mo plekeng or ba tswa mo plekeng tse di leng mara ke rona wa itse gore maketa ha o tla bo le go ka ya ke so right then are bole ngombra ko skolo
Sure.
are bole ngombra ko skolo difference tsa go tla ko skolo o santse le ha go re hela are wa ko nape ya go skolo sa pe ni tsang ke
Grade 1, yeah.
o santse ba ha go hela re mo mabedi two fela ba le ngore na ba le close le ora phelo na ba se close o tseneng le ena
na le no ba salete
ba salteng ba le ngore
ma bani le na ke na
wow and then wena
Yeah. Usalite. Come one. Barge Kaiso Tesla Sibek. Yeah, I will still keep him. Even he's part of this group. So Remotera Spanelena. Kebala ba paperwork.
Yeah, because of for potential. Yeah. Tsala ya bogolo go le tsala ya abatshwandi tsala even if wena go ba lebeletse ba tshwana but ba tshwana gona le o le go itse botoka feta o mongwe but the funny part of it o a go itseng hona no aka go itse botoka go feta o a tswang ke ka mokho tlholego e rileng ka teng jaaka gale o ntse itse re ga sa re le mo tota re gatisa re le mo Shetes Place nomoro ya mo Shetes Place santse le yona I see feto santse le yona 0814889977 o ka tla ka kwano me wa tla wa thaba khobeka mutwa me wa iketla o ntse o bona gore go ntse o dira halang batho ba tlo tla ka kwano ba mo ya fa le fane santse la le yona static what? Static deep. Yeah. Static. Is it like static electricity?
Yeah.
Oh, it is derived from that.
Not basically. Aesthetic. Moloring. It means something so beautiful.
Yeah.
Answer. Silo aesthetic. So here in the vela re nahana le toro ke shapo. Di plants are in ke ke le record label re bethe event re tse majita mo high so mara it shows on theory and so beautiful so let's search the name then we came you came across the word aesthetic so it vibe correctly into it you know what aesthetic then what do we play? We play deep house, so aesthetic deep. So aesthetic deep house.
Okay.
Sure.
Wow. Okay. That eager ya hore le ka itsenela khotsa le no ra rena re no tshameka music tsa di betlela re tsene eo nna re no rata music and that's it.
It's just a soulful music if then we were playing piano or Afro house I think yeah so
yeah okay meaning wena ka tsenela ka mabaka a le but I want to find out come ko o tlabeng o betlela akere rena ka rena ba tlabeng lo tsa tshwetso mo this guy who beat these guys because I still remember vividly go YFM na bana lo ira this thing ya battle of the DJs nele Fanta explosion got me to the DJ Fred somewhere there mo dong hore I was certain not only this there is this guy o tswa ale ko Mohel ke hutle le yena ke mitsa Benny Blanco from the Bronx mo dong hore if the DJs ile ko lena pong ne irrespective of DJ
sure, yeah.
DJ it's as much as once mood are otwa side akantle ko di breads
sure
ne I can bet I think I make that corner motor wa sa ka bread win understand I say fit to mix my point is come corner na re ntse re utlwela YFM way back then na le kitsa or okay these guys on this side
sure
story sabo so lelona le kam ko le tlabeno la tsameka you got to be the representative ones
sure
like if ever la tsameka it's a big event or maybe something big okay ke di betlele ke tshwantse ke bethe ka lena even though I should go
sure
because of music as kang ya hore sound effect na re bla ba bangara asa are focus go se samkang se ngore this guy utlo samka track
sure
even if that track it's new
American
that thing this guy just to say one ke kam khore na ba tholo ngore ba le ngore re tsala mino morago and then akara re tshwane re arna the taste ba tsa tshwane ba bora ba tsamka music on them like le bang ba ratori what the dalla what so guys whatever setlang le tlabele ke sira and then kere good luck on that one so ha jana ka he setse ke lebile e ketele na kwele e re me ka fa people and then ne ko por o ka sia no mo tsa mogala bo dingwe di bookings hello tlaba diteng bona ke akere mo rata maketa kere mo dingwe di contact numbers mo dingwe batho le ngore ba karata ho ka le fitlela ba le fitlela go kae di WhatsApp and then the Facebook so forth
sure number tag is 076 344 2066
076
344
2066 you can have the same number le ngore le berekisa le ko WhatsApp and
then there's alternative caller number I mean 068 431 5560 068 431 5560. You can also follow us on Facebook at Aesthetic Deepas, remote TikTok at aesthetic_Deepas, logo WhatsApp
okay jaaka gale fa ke simolla ke harela ke simolla ka gore khotsa ke latlhela ka gore what you do is what you do what you do and do it best ke msimanelo wa ntla wa motsonga wa khatla khotsela ba khatla ke easy dog EZI DAWGR modimo go king Saival
yeah it's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur get here.
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Timpitori, you know who it is, from Guru.
Check Max 012, it's a boy DJ Young Master, I want you master. Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG on your favorite podcast, charity podcast. Re wena, ka wena.